Hey guys, today I'm going to do a cold start on my 2007 Arctic Cat 250cc utility. It is about 4 degrees out right now, so let's see if she'll start. Choke on. Starts right up. This quad hasn't been started in about 2, maybe 2.5 weeks. And if anyone's interested in it, it's for sale. Just leave me a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, I'm gonna take it for a quick test drive in the snow. Drive, it's really good in snow. Barely even pushing on the gas right now. I'm going to do a little rev. Yeah, but there you have it. It runs perfect. And that's about it. See you guys later. Subscribe please and add me as a friend.